In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Wispr Flow. If you've been looking to remove this app from your Windows PC to free up space or reduce background activity, I'll walk you through the exact process in a clear, simple way. We'll stay entirely within Windows, and you won't need any special tools. First, open Windows Settings. The quickest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I together on your keyboard. If you prefer using the mouse, click the Start button and select the Settings gear. Either route takes you to the same place. Before you go further, it's a good idea to save any open work and make sure Wispr Flow isn't currently running, just to avoid any interruptions during removal. Once Settings is open, look for the Apps section. Click it to open the area where Windows manages your installed software. Here you want the list labeled Installed Apps. Depending on your Windows version, you might see a similar label like Apps and Features. You're in the right spot as long as you can view a full list of programs installed on your device. Now, find Wispr Flow in that list. If the list is long, don't scroll forever. Use the search bar at the top of the installed apps screen. Type Wispr Flow exactly as you expect it to appear. If nothing shows up at first, try entering just part of the name or sort the list by name to make scanning easier. Some apps may appear under the publisher's name or use a small icon that looks familiar, so take a moment to verify you found the correct entry. When you see Wispr Flow, move your cursor to its row and click the three dots to the right. This opens a small menu with options. Choose Uninstall. Windows will ask you to confirm that you want to remove the app. Click Uninstall again to proceed. You may be prompted for permission by Windows or by an uninstaller window from the app itself. If that appears, just follow the on-screen instructions, accepting the defaults unless you have a specific reason to change them. Keep the settings window open until the process finishes. After a moment, the entry for Wispr Flow should disappear from the installed apps list. That's a quick way to confirm it's been removed. If it still appears, select Uninstall one more time and follow any remaining prompts. That's all there is to it. You opened Windows Settings, went to Installed Apps, search for Wispr Flow, and use the three-dot menu to uninstall. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your PC with confidence.